You need to be attended. Go to Germany meeting stock. Okay. So yeah, guys, everybody, whoever is learning with me, start building every day and start sharing whatever we are building and whatever is the agenda. Here I have added, as you can see, where is the yesterday? So yeah, here I have built. Here I have added yesterday. So you can go and improve from here. Okay, so what we have discussed yesterday, build our own ChatGPT, right? So today we are going to discuss about very interesting thing, that is the how AI can control your machine, and with the help of that, how most of the repetitive work, whether it is file access, whether it is running any software, whether controlling how AI is going to control your system. So moreover, we are going to talk about on top of ChatGPT how to put steroid. Steroid, do you know anyone? What is the steroid? Does anybody goes here gym fitness? Anybody? Okay. I'll make it simple. If you are going yes, then tell me yes. If you are don't going, tell me no. Please respond so that I'll think you are getting. See what happened. Everybody know about ChatGPT, right? Does anybody know who don't know ChatGPT? Does anybody has idea about not how to use ChatGPT? I think mostly yes, right? So ChatGPT, what will happen these days? Everybody is like doing boring things, and we will share the ChatGPT will talk like as a common, whatever instruction we will give, they will ask a follow-up question, and again we need to go if you will see any sequence. So now first and foremost thing, we are going to talk about Codex, that is on top of ChatGPT, and it is brilliant guide. You trust me, stay tuned with me till end. You will understand that how Codex is going to 5x of your daily work, whatever you are doing, and it will be very shorter time. If you will go here, we have follow up. Always we have follow up. Anytime we are doing, we have follow up. But ChatGPT is not like as a friendly. Okay, ChatGPT is not talking like however human brains, or however as a personal care kind of. Because in ChatGPT we need to create the projects, right? We need to create the projects. We need to give the brain, and based on that, then they will treat like this, right? But if you will see that the tools, what I'm going to talk first is Codex, and it will be brilliant, guys. Like if you will see here, this is the Codex. I hope everybody you are able to see my screen. Could you please respond me? Are you able to see my screen? Could you please? Okay, nice. Thanks. Is there anybody who is not able to hear me? Is there anyone who is not able to hear me? Could you please message me? Okay. So I will take it as a yes. So here, if you will see that we have the Codex. Okay, Codex is very brilliant, and most of the developers is using now. What you can do, how it is different from ChatGPT, and how you can do the faster work in terms of all of these things. So guys, if you will see that everybody, child to bigger, and everybody, they are using ChatGPT, right? But if you will see here, we have our own ID. Okay, it is kind of on top of ChatGPT, where you are not going to just ask like this small things. Also, you can do like as a compiler. If you will see here in ChatGPT, also you have a Codex. But today I'm going to explain the fundamental, how it will work, how you can add your own MCP, or how lot of things I'm going to explain. So first of all, coming to here again back. So if you will see that in ChatGPT, they will do their job. But if you will see here, we have on top of ChatGPT, we have Codex, where they provide a browser, and also they provide CLI. What is the CLI? CLI, if you know that, terminal, right? See, what is the use case of that? See, big software, whenever we will build now, so we need this kind of terminal. We need this kind of window where a lot of hackers or developer, front end back end developer, they will write something like, I want to access this thing, I want to I want to do this kind of things. So if you will see here, it gonna be increase our productivity, because number one thing, it is giving inbuilt all the the native desktop app, their terminology, and what to clone, where to clone, and where should we fork. Okay, and it is also giving a leveraging of what ChatGPT was not giving. So most of the things, most of the time, if you will see that people is using ChatGPT, even the normal. But if you want to use our own Codex, simply just go to this website. This is the Codex. You just need to download Codex. You go to here and you can download from here. Once you will download, no need to do setup. This will come like this, something like, if you will see. Okay, this is also kind of ChatGPT. It is very easy. So today, first of all, we'll understand that how the things work and what are the all what we can do here. And so all over, first of all, so we'll go to here. So first is we are going to talk about ChatGPT. So ChatGPT, you understood that, okay, it is very for general purpose. Okay, but while we are using this Codex, so we'll brilliant our own files, will build our own brains, will build our own kind of, they will talk like as a teammate, they will talk like as a developer, or whatever skills we have to define, whatever is our requirement. So it is going to be completely customizable for us. So if you will see, so I have downloaded a Codex, right? So in the Codex we have option of task. Okay, this is the, as you know that everybody, you know that this is the simple task. Second thing, that scheduler. Okay, what is the scheduler? Does anybody has idea about scheduler? Does anybody has idea about scheduler? So here we can schedule. No, Ali is saying no. Okay, no problem. So here we can schedule. Okay, here we can schedule what we want to do. Okay, Sri Kirti is saying I know. So here we can schedule what we want to do, 4 p.m., 3 a.m., something like this. Plugins. Okay, plugins, here we have many plugins. Suppose that if you want to set up alarm, I have a 8 a.m. morning, this exam. Could you please run some scheduler? Could you please find out some jobs for us at 8 p.m., 10 a.m., morning, night? So those kind of we can do also scheduler. Okay, we need to brief, and they will also understand means what is the job, and based on that they will take a permission. However, we are doing manual work. So here we should not do any kind of manual work to speed our job. Number one thing. Number two things, if something we are doing in company, repetitive work, so with the help of a scheduler, it will do our cron job. Cron job means multiple same thing, multiple this kind of. So we can do. Okay, this is the scheduler. Plugins. Here we have number of plugins. You can consider like a MCP. I think already I have explained. So plugin is nothing kind of MCP here. Okay. Last time already I have explained. MCP is kind of where they are exposing all their PLU. Forgot about my spelling. If something I'm writing wrong, because while I'm speaking writing, so I might write some plugins. Okay. So plugins is kind of, suppose that all these are MCP. Okay. Let me check whether everybody you are able to see me. I think yes. Whether you are able to hear me, yeah. So here, if you will see that we have a plugins. Okay, bunch of plugins we have. Whatever we want. We want for creativity, for productivity, for data science kind of analytics visualization. We want our own teams, Slack, communication, educational, all these kind of we can connect, we can install, and we can see here. Okay, few of them we'll see today. See here we have calorie tracker also. Okay, we have sky scanner. We can book flight, restaurant, whatever we want. Okay, we have a Spotify also. Okay, so this Codex is going to completely automate our whatever manual job you are doing as a students. You can also try after this session, you try for your requirements. Okay, something jobs or something, whatever you want. See here we have Superbase, versatile deployment, lovable, Hugging Face, OpenAI developer, GitHub. A lot of things is there. Okay, we just need to go and explore more. Here somewhere option will be there. Agent is also there. Okay, Shopify. So whatever we want to do now, we can do from here. Pull request. This is kind of where we need to set up our kind of GitHub. I think everybody has basics idea where we will keep our code base. So this thing we can do. This is the normal kind of chat. Okay, this is normal kind of we can create extra kind of, where conversation will start if something we want for instant chat. So this is the main window, guys, where your most of the time will spend here. And here interesting thing is, this Codex is not only giving the functionality of how the ChatGPT is giving, it is also giving the access, control, permission, authentication. So a lot of things it is going to give you. So just give me 1 minute. Is there anyone who is downloading with me? Is there anyone who is also building? Right. Um, okay. So first of all, what we will do here, yeah. So this is the fresh window. What should we build? Explore, understanding, build a new features, app to review. Okay, fix any failure. Okay. So if you will see here, but again, before going to that, explore a little bit. I want to showcase something more. In Codex, you have two things. One is browser, one is terminals also. See how beautiful this tool they have behind this team. Give me 1 minute, guys. Okay, sorry. Yeah. So if you will see here, so how properly they have aligned. Suppose that if we want to run here, so it will do our job here. We no need to go and jump here and there. So let's start with a quick small thing where you can understand that how fundamentally it is going to helpful in your daily productivity. Number one things. Number two things, how it will define, how it will treat with you like as a teammates, not like as a normal ChatGPT. Okay. Moving forward, if you will see here, you can also build some projects. You can also pull from some folder if you want something specifically folder from here. So I can go here. I suppose that if in documents I have Codex. Okay. So I can do here, or I can, what I can do. So in Finder, I will go here. Okay. I will create here anything like new Codex. Otherwise, I will make it a simple because you might get confused. So let's go whatever is the default. Okay, choose projects. Anyway, it will give you. Here is the very important thing, guys. What restriction, what permission you are going to that, it will use only like this. Okay. And from here, if you will see that, so it will not going to take any extra thing, number one things. And if you want always allow, then go. So it will also do work for approval. Okay. And if you want always like whenever next step you are going to do this, whenever, so how customized you want to do, it will work for you. Okay. Is that clear till now? Anybody has any question among this thing? Because some people might get confused, what is this thing? I think clear, right? Make it thumbs up if it is clear. Okay, done. Okay. So what I will do, I will go with a single statement so that you can understand, you can relate me better. And but again here, if you will see here, so right now it is selected like 5.6 tera model. Okay, if you want to go with faster, if you want to go with smarter, we can go. But what I will do, I will go with advanced default model. Okay. Whenever sometimes listen, remember completely that this model is completely depend on you. If you are going to, if the token is going to expire, or if anything is going to that, go here. If it is asking to pay money, go here, log out, log in with another account, take a pull, import here in the same Codex, again start work. You should have the mind, guys. You no need to pay others. You no need to pay. Multiple AI tools are there. Today I'm going to talk about Cursor and Codex, how you can do. So just understand that what I'm trying to say, how to save the token, how not to pay anyone money, and what is the importance of this Codex. So if you will see here, here one interesting thing is that is the plan mode. Okay, in Codex, how it is very how it is better. So in plan mode, what we can do, whenever we will select plan mode now, and if I will say that build a single file, personal coding portfolio for me, and use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Include a hero section with a name and some site. Add some about section, and add also some project section, and a skill section. Contact something about me, and make it very clean and responsive. Keep everything in one single file. Can you build this project for me? See guys, I have given the complete prompt. See how it is taking bullet by bullet point. What is the my intention? What they want to do? See how beautifully they are. Means if you will see that, I told you this thing. If you have remember whisper, right? So whisper is kind of, it is not like just listening something. So it is also making our, removing the all nonsense thing, removing all the certain extra thing. It is beautifully crafted all over the requirement, whatever I'm trying to say. Okay, we can use this thing also, not a big deal. But planning mode enable, so that what will happen, it will go step by step. It will ask you some permission also. Suppose that I'm hitting this thing. Okay, see how beautifully it will do jobs for you. Okay, meanwhile it will take some times, 8 seconds, 10 seconds. So it will take times. Meanwhile, go to here. Okay, check the cursor. Does anybody know about Cursor IDE? It is also native desktop. Does anybody know about Cursor? Does anybody know? Bhavani is saying yes. Does anybody know? Shankar Bhavani. Bhavani is saying yes. Pooji is saying yes. Nice. Sneha is saying yes. Correct. Nice. So guys, Cursor is the very powerful native desktop application where most of the developer is familiar. There is two tools in the world. Okay, if he's developer, for sure he know one is the Cursor, one is the Cloud Code in coming days I am going to cover. Okay, everything if I will cover, you might get that. So first thing, our work is going on, it will take the times. And see here, he's asking me permission also. If I will give the full access, they will do our all the jobs. But I'm saying, okay, yes, do this thing. Again, it will ask what you want, which visualization you want. Are you getting my points? How it is taking my customization also, my requirements. So I would say that, what do you want, light theme or modern? Tell me. Does anybody, can you message what should I go? Recommendation, dark mode. Should I go dark mode? Let's go dark mode. Okay, sample projects. How should we initiate projects can be handled? See, it is also asking that include polish, editable example. So what it is asking, it is completely taking my custom requirement, even though they got to know that what they have to, how much motion. See, they are also asking about a mobile, something frame or motion or this kind of some animation will be there. Now it is drafting. Okay, let it draft. Guys, coming to here, today first of all I talked about this thing, Codex. Okay, Codex, you can just search. Second thing is Cursor. Cursor is not free. Codex is also not free, but you need to understand that, use the tools whenever there is something. Okay, whenever something account is going to be covered, you can use your email ID. If it is not working with the, mostly 80%, 90% it will work. If it is not working, again you can switch with the GitHub. You can go with another Windsurf. In coming day I will explain more and more tools. So as of now, you don't worry about that. So it is also simple. From here you can download. Okay, from here you can download about Cursor. Okay, once you will download, you no need to do, just click. Okay, in single click it will get download. I will pause this thing because in my system already it is there. So whenever you will download, you will see this kind of window. Okay, you will see this kind of window. Let's stop this thing. Control plus X. Yeah. Okay, let's remove this thing so that you will not get confused. Remove from workspace. Okay, don't worry if you don't know Cursor or if you don't know anything, I'll explain you here. Stay tuned with me. Now see, so again it is asking me permission. Why? Because I told now planning mode. Are you getting the power of planning mode? Yes, implement this thing. If I will say no, tell ChatGPT what to do differently, ChatGPT will do. It is asking something, workspace like this, single file, create a single file for all those things. It will mark down itna, editable placeholder, identify. So if you will go with this, we can read here entire what is the product scope. Okay, what is the product scope? Does anybody has idea? Does anybody has idea about product scope? Okay, so suppose that whenever any client will give you any task, so they will speak like high level. I want this thing, and based on that, Aditya, what happened, Aditya? Aditya समझ में नहीं आ रहा है या कोई प्रॉब्लम है? हेलो, हाय आदित्य. आदित्य समझ में आ रहा है ना? Okay, so what client will do generally? Client will give you specific draft some business logic, and that logic you need to convert into the
हेलो
requirement. Hi
हेलो
Aditya.
यस सर यस भैया बोलेगा आप बोले हिंदी में करेंगे नहीं हुआ है क्या
आदित्य हिंदी के लिए हम सेपरेट प्लान कर रहे हैं. अभी जो ये 7 to 8 है ना, ये मतलब हम इंग्लिश में ही कर रहे हैं, बट हाँ कमिंग डेज में हम करते हैं. Okay?
भैया
So
कब होगा बता दीजिए बहुत दिन से मतलब वेट कर रहे हैं आपने बोला था हो
आदित्य,
जाएगा
हम बाद में बात करते हैं. ओके, बिकॉज अभी लाइव
ठीक है
सेशन चल रहा है.
ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है
So what I was talking. Yeah, so I was talking that whenever somebody is giving you the business requirement, so they will give you just high rough level. Suppose that I have some in Dubai, this kind of some XYZ business. Okay, suppose that ABC. So they will give you some X kind of. So whenever you are going to build with AI tools, you know that most of the developer they are using AI tools so that they can do faster work, right? If you will see here, they have defined the product scope. They have defined what is the how what could be the test plan, what could be the changes about section. So that is the product scope. Okay, so we will call it product requirement development, PRD. Okay, if you are building any product, first of all define this thing. If you will not define this thing, okay, your company, your clients, they will be stuck, you will be in stuck. Okay, I will make it as a yes. So in short, yeah, so insert what is the meaning of this? If you will explain clearly now, your AI will understand that what is the scope of the project, what should I do, what should I not do, where to go, where not to go. So this is kind of high level about you. I think this is clear, right? So what will happen, see here, it has defined the complete what I told in normal human language. Suppose that this client is saying, suppose that you don't know the coding. Okay, now if you will see that it is kind of giving a building system for me, where AI is talking with me like as a my teammates, my co-founder, or my the colleague, and it will ask, okay, this is this okay, or do you want any correction? I'm just saying, okay, yes, do this, do that, do this. So this kind of instruction I'm giving, AI is analyzing that what we need to do and what we no need to do. Okay, meanwhile, while it is building, we'll explain about cursor also. So cursor here, it is also kind of VS Code. Does everybody know about VS Code? Does everybody know about VS Code? Okay, I can see a couple of people know about VS Code. Okay, is there anybody who don't know about VS Code? Is there anybody जिसको कि VS Code के बारे में पता नहीं हो? Is there anyone who don't know about VS Code? Sarath, what Sarath? Where is Sarath? Sarath, you really don't know about VS Code. Nice. Then sell your laptop, Sarath, if you don't know about VS Code. So if you will see here, it is kind of fork on VS Code, where everything is same, like searching, tree, okay, plugins, extension, okay, theme. If you will see that my cursor is blue and my kind of, so I'm using this cobalt thing. So this kind of we can also use Docker, we can use graph, tree, ESLint, a lot of things is there. Okay, cursor is same, you no need to go much more time waste and go in depth. Okay, so here is the files where you need to import whatever project you can do. And here, some splitter will be there where we can split. Some projects will be there. So many things is there. Open browsers, save projects, configuration. Okay, here will be kind of chats, agents will be there. Okay, so it is kind of same VS Code where we can customize the code base. We can pull from anywhere. Okay, we will try to pull from here. Let's see where it is working. Okay, so implemented this thing. See, I have given this prompt. It has drafted for me. Now let's look into this whether it is visible for us or not. Okay, yeah, see how clean they have designed for me, and I have given some requirement like landing page. Okay, and oh nice, it is working responsive also. Yeah, if you will see that it has created very simple landing page. Understand that I haven't written any single line of code base. Okay, it is also added very responsive. Okay, so if you will see that now I have built this thing on cloud, right? Now I have built this thing in cloud. Suppose that if any clients they are approaching you, you want to build software for that, use Codex. Okay, because it will do plans for you, what you have to do, when you have to do. You can go with a permission, you can approve here. See, I haven't written any single line of code. I have enabled this thing. They ask me question. I know clients better. Okay, what is the client's requirement, what is the my requirement? Okay, I haven't changed any model. Okay, and if some reference is also there, you can also reference attach. But I would say that go with plan mode. If plan mode will be on, it will reduce your jobs. Okay, again suppose that now I have built this thing. Okay, but I don't like something. I like that something for my requirements. So suppose that I have built the projects. Okay, but I don't like the what agents is doing for me. Every time I'm going and every time I'm saying do this, do this, do this. So what I want, rather than building this kind of HTML index, if you will see that inside Codex only it has open. Okay, this is the browser and this is the kind of this is kind of this is a browser and this is kind of terminal. Okay, okay, terminal. So if you will see that always it is talking with me, always I have to give prompt. So inside this Codex, okay, I want to talk about agents. Okay, what is the agents? So in agents.md, suppose that you are defining somebody like I will do this thing. Okay, and always use React.js, always use this kind of skills or something. You will define your scope. I will do it, this one. I will not do this thing, like however we have defined in the projects. So in coding or in programming, we have a con like a markdown file. Okay, what is the markdown file? Where we will specify that what our agents will do. Okay, the root, the fundamental root level of elements, what we have to do, where we can say that in this project use HTML CSS only, or use React Native, or use React.js. So whatever, or we can say that use responsive, use dark theme always, use avoid external UI library, and we can say that use semantic all responsive HTML element, prioritize the performance also. So suppose that always we have something common rules for agents.md, right? So what will happen in programming, whenever we are doing anything, we can define our product scope, what is the most common rules that AI will understand you. Where we will define, I will tell you. First of all, understand what is this markdown file, why we are not using PDF, why we are not using. So markdown file is kind of a structure. I think, does anybody know about md.md file? Does anybody know about? Make it thumbs up. Does anybody know about markdown file? Yes, Sri Kirti. Nice. Does anybody know about Shankar? Nice. Yeah. So if you don't know, no problem. I will explain you. I will explain you next thing. So whenever you are building any product, I told you first thing is product scope, right? Second thing is this agents, this kind of skill set is there. Okay. So most of the, we are using Claude Code, we are using Cursor, we are using Codex. Every time if our product is ready, now again if you want to build tomorrow another product, what we have to do, we have to refine lots of time. We have to say use camel case, use this thing, avoid. So better what we will do as a programmer, we will build this file agents.md, where we will define a set of rules where they will do our job. We no need to do anything, and based on that, that product will do job for us. Always it will take requirement file from there itself. Okay, from this file they will understand the rule regulation. So what I will do, I will create one more rules. So I want agents rule, like I want to build using React JS. I want to use always camel case. I want to use tailwind CSS. I want to use dark theme, avoid external any external other big library, any SDK. And I want responsive always, and I want the best performance quality code structure. I want atomic code structure. So could you please write some markdown file for this rules and requirement? See, I have written this thing. Okay, I have written this thing. Now what I will do, I will showcase to you. But one thing, guys, you might not, you are not asking me question where this exactly this code base is, right? Where this exactly code base is. So for that, we will go to our where is this code base? Documents, Codex. So go to the documents, Codex, Codex. What is the name of this? 26. See here. What is the name of this? Let's set up a scheduler projects. Let's set up a scheduler product. So this is our product, right? Is this one or is this two? Guys, are you watching me? What is the things I'm doing? Are you getting? Okay, it is two. Okay, it is two. So suppose that I have added here. Okay, I have added. Go to our files. See, this is the our product. What I have built in server, or we can see on our native desk. One more thing, guys, you might get question that why we are not using in browser Codex if already we have Codex. I would say that if you want to build apps or mobile apps or anything, keep in native desktop. Native in the sense, if you will see where is the Codex. ChatGPT something. Yeah, if you will see here we have native. So some whether it is Windows OS or Mac OS. So if you will keep an native, so it will give better performance compared to web version or anything. So for coding, I would say that if you are using this thing, use it in native. Use local desktop, so it will be better. Okay. So moving forward, if you will see that I have added from here, because I can see from here what is the file path and how it is working. So if we want to check, so this is the your code base. See, guys, how it is very easy. I don't know HTML, CSS, I don't know anything. See how beautifully they have written for you, and here you have some output, some dist file. So first of all, to run this thing, what I have to do? Does anybody has idea? Should I ask here? Does anybody has idea? Or can I use live port? Can I use live port? I don't know. Okay. So if you don't know, ask here. How to run this locally? Give me the idea. If you will see here, it is directly running. So this is since this is static, you can also go with a copy relative path. You can go to the browser also. It will do just not like this. Copy. Since this is not a server, I haven't built anything on copy path now, copy relative path. Yeah, if directly you will go, it will run. Why? Because this is the client and server. I have explained client, which is only running on the machine, no server interaction. Okay, next thing. Okay, so till now we have done. Now we are going to build very powerful things. Okay, we'll go here, and with the help of that, very quickly I will explain you how better way, like all this markdown file, all how instruction you can go, how you can build your how you can use your Control Z, cut this thing, and how it will save your time. Okay, paste it here. What I will say that. Now it will be very interesting thing for you. So I am build some AI powered discovery platform for all the offline students and all the whoever is learners. And I want to build this thing for Hyderabad and some New York City. And I want to build a system where people can meet up, people can continuously, they can understand what they are building in the community, and some artwork, some kind of networking I want to build, and some learning experience where I can share, and where it will be helpful for me as a new person, also it will be helpful for them also. Okay. And understand the completely intention, why, what is the importance of that, and try to add as much as possible features where as a student it will be helpful for me, as a new people it will be it will be helpful for them also. So build this entire system for me. See guys, I'm building for you this tool okay, with the help of Codex. Okay, and we'll do sort of so many things from here. I have specify use this agents.md. Okay, so see here, I have specified here all of the rules. Okay, and now I will hit this thing. How beautiful. It will do front end, back end, everything. This was just front end, this was just static. I built some single page and where it is doing in single line JavaScript, all of these things, CSS. See, it is going to do everything for you. Okay, now it is saying reset every month. Next reset is 13 August. Now 1% usage remaining. Okay, it is asking to upgrade, but no, we'll wait. It will do work for us. If it will ask for them, then we'll reset. Okay. So are you getting that how much it is easy for us, and what are the things we can do, not in terms of accessing not in terms of accessing the code, also treat like as a teammates, solo members, we can say small members. So this entire Codex is going to help and productivity a lot of things, and from here also we will go with that. Okay, give me just 1 minute. What we can do, it is taking time. So till then we'll search. Close this thing. You should see the latest. Yeah, so if you will see this thing, whenever you will download first time your cursor, whenever you will download first time your cursor, so you will get this UI. Okay, you will get this UI, but inside this, because this is the native desktop, so if you want an IDE, so from here you can go IDE and you can import. Okay, and all of these thing, if you want clone projects. See, whenever you stuck anywhere, if you are using any AI tools, browser-based any AI tools, please don't spend there. Either clone from here, SSH, not need to be worry because I haven't explained till now. So go and clone here. If you have downloaded zip file, go and you can clone from here. If you want to connect from GitHub, you can also do this thing. So it is very important for all of you these days, having idea of all the upcoming. See, it is doing running npm start, it is doing for me. I haven't touched till now, I haven't touched any single line of coding. I haven't done any single line of, with the help of Codex, with the help of cursor, I will see here now. Okay, where it is doing for us. Okay, so with the help of all of these things, it is parallelly generating. See here, as you can see, it is generating live, we can see. And we can also understand what is the staging current. If you don't know about this thing, don't worry, but from here you can save a lot of times. Okay, you can also automate, we can also go to plugin, we can also configure. Suppose that if we want what is the Canva. Okay, suppose that tomorrow I'm going for an interview. Okay, and I want to do some kind of presentation, connect Canva. So it is asking continue to Canva. See how beautifully it will okay, it is asking for me authentication. I need to authenticate. Okay, I need to authenticate. See how beautifully it is saving our times. And no, I think I should click once again. But does it making sense to everyone? Like how it is on top of a coding, where we can save our lot of times, and where we can leverage really the productivity and Canva Pro. Okay. Yeah, right. So if you will see that I have allowed, just you have to do click. So now if you will see that I have failed to install a plugin. Okay, there is some problem. Maybe my email is not working. Fails to install. Okay. So guys, if you will see here, I think I need to close. If I will close, no problem. It is going out of Codex upgrade. See, it is asking to upgrade me. Okay, so what I will do, first of all, we close this thing. Okay, don't pay and go Codex. Yeah, open this thing, ChatGPT. Hit enter. Okay, no, in Mac it won't work. So completely close from here. Okay, and completely quit this thing. Completely quit this thing. This thing also remove this thing. So now you will see. So go and log out from here. I'm just showcasing you. Use lesser models, otherwise it will expire. Otherwise it will be always. Otherwise it will be always. Your session has ended up. Login. Continue with Google's. Guys, whatever you are learning, make sure you also share in the community and build. Yeah, continue signing, cancel signing, signing in another way. API keys, no. And to another account, password, password. Give me just 1 minute. What is your password? This is the password. So we have to log in just with another email ID, and it will work for you. You have to set India country code. India, set the number 80. Okay, I'm doing this number is already X number. Give me 1 minute. 464454. So it will come one OTP on your number, and from that then you can log in. Just give me 1 minute, guys. I am going to do now, and some text. I given USA number. Give me 1 minute, guys. So I did one mistake. So this configuration will be like we have to change, and we have to properly check which account we are using and what we are doing. So keep it India. Keep it India and keep it number, Indian number 9546 510540. Next. So now we'll come. So have you anything learned today, like what we are building, and what is the things of what is the use case of Claude Code and 3656? continue. Yeah, as you can see now, I'm able to log in again. Are you able to see my screen? Can anybody confirm? Right. So if you will see guys now, so I have changed my previous email ID and which I have crossed the limit something kind of. So I just change here. Okay. So yeah. So if you will see here, guys, like that every AI has some limit. I'm just trying to show you like how you can do the bridge between multiple AI tools. So you no need to the pay and you no need to do. So simply what I will go and I'll hit the sense and it will do our job. Okay. Meanwhile, what I was talking about cursor. Okay. See, it will do jobs for us. It will fetch, it will follow all these things, it will create products, and it will also is there anybody has question about cursor? Is there anybody has a question about cursor? What I'm doing? See here it is asking upgrade to pro. No need to upgrade. Okay, so here also we have this is the ID, but I would say that go with the code version. So better you can do and better add folder to workspace. If you want from here, we can also add. Suppose that if you are doing downloads, okay, what I will do, I will download all the codecs so that anytime we can. Yeah. Where is our codex? Right. So it is see, it is taking times. Okay, it is taking times. But what I'm trying to say, suppose that now our product is ready. Okay, if I will say that create just 4 5 line of presentation for me and based on the above requirement. Oh, I'm not talking. So based on the our product scope, please create presentation for me, which I need to showcase to my college or my founders or my company teammates. Could you please create some slides presentation for me based on the our breakdowns? See here. So here, how beautifully they will do jobs. I think it will be in hold. It will be in hold because first task is in queue. Okay. So once this will done, then this will go. So see, this is kind of whole overview like how cursor and how codex can sync to each other, and how it will be very very helpful. From here we can clone, we can do any kind of things, we can sort of here also we can give some um, here also we can give some kind of I want this file, that file, and based on that they will do jobs. Okay. So for cursor, I will cover in next day in detail. Today I have given just high level of idea how the codex, and from codex how we can put, how we can use cursor. But cursor and cloud code is very powerful, guys. Okay, in coming days, just understand. Maybe probably tomorrow I will take some example and I'll explain you about cursor, how people is using cursor. Okay, so I hope that today you guys don't have any question about codex and how the things is working. Is there any question? Let me know. It is taking time to thinking and it will do the jobs. It will build the system for us, whatever requirement we have given, and it will create the product scope also, whatever I have defined. So you can explore codex more, whatever I'm teaching. Maybe even though I'm teaching 20%, 50% in the session now, after session also explore. These are the very very powerful tools. Most of the students, most of the learners, they don't know. Okay, they will think that all these are waste of the times. But if you are getting any clients, if you are getting any kind of sort of company requirement, very quickly within 5 minutes you can do if you know how to use all of these school, whether in terms of scheduling, whether in terms of any kind of, just understand more. Okay, install here, you log in with your Gmail ID. Once you will allow from here Figma or Canva or any kind of, it will do task for you. You just need to understand. But yeah, give it very precise prompt. I think I already covered. So give it very accurate prompt. How it will work? How it will work? First thing is you can use GPT. Okay, go to the GPT, say your requirements, they will do for you. Then give it here because it will save your tokens. Okay, so let's see what is going on. It is still thinking, guys. It is still thinking. Okay, if you will see that our product is ready, we need to see, if we want to see the MD file, this is our product requirement.md, where they have defined the all of the scope, what we need to do, okay, what we need no need to do. This is a very important, guys. If you don't know coding, please understand product requirement.md. This is the very important file where most of the developers, they will start doing coding from day one. But if you have this thing now, even though product in your team, suppose that you are working now alone, if you are creating this requirements.md file, so in team, if one developer is coming, they will just not ask you what is that. They will not, nobody will ask, because based on the developer 1, developer 2, developer 3, whoever is coming, they will read this file. Are you getting my points? What is the assistant experience, what is the requirements file, what is the engineering rules they are following? See, I told that, I told use a dark thing, use a JavaScript, use camel case. I told this thing engineering rule. So they have created for us. And now they have created complete product scope. Okay, if we want to view successfully, npm run successfully, and they are doing for us something, I will create consistent stakeholder. See that now they are creating for us documents. Okay, where I told that I want to showcase to some investor, some stakeholder. Based on that, they are doing next task. Okay, so what we will do, we will go our app. Okay, so here is the our app. What is the name of app? Assistant school using React, ACN school. Okay, ACN school. Go to our here and see where is the ACN school of our. If you want to do from here, we can also do. See, want a ACN school. Are you guys able to see me? Are you able to understand? I think I can't zoom. Yeah, I think you can see now. So if you will see here, I have created, with the help of Codex, I have created two separate websites. One was statics. Static means no server, no backend, nothing. And this is your React code base, where I have created where I have created agents.md. Okay, I will reduce this thing. Where I have created agents.md, I have defined the technology with the help of AI. I told the core product area, if you will see here, okay, what is the people circle. I told here the quality, means they have structure, what is the product intention, what is the scope, what is the future end goal, everything they have defined. And everybody, please use agents.md. It will save a lot of times, tons of times. And apart from this, everybody, this is the UI coding. Okay, pictures preview, we can see all this statics. So it is kind of doing some work. Till then, what we will do, what do you think that here, how to run this product, right? This will be your next question. If you want to run from here, npm run del. If you want to go from here, very simple topic, just click on here, open in terminal. Okay, otherwise you can also open from here. I think you can see my mouse. From here also you can do npm run dev. See what error it will throw. Oh, super. See, I have created this website, guys. I don't know how it will work, where it will work. Now I will go here. See, I have created crazy. See, I have created with the help of just high level idea, because everybody wants such community, or where they can learn, where they can grow. So I have built here. What they have did something kind of Hyderabad, HYDE. Okay, something is coming. Yeah, I think this search bar is working. Okay, Banjara Hills. See, they have created some small moment, big connection. See, just I have given some prompts, random prompts. I haven't prepared anything, just random prompts. If I will search here, Banjara, yeah, Banjara Hills is coming. Okay, if I will keep here something, Hyderabad, nothing is coming. Maybe Hyderabad, no events is happening. So if you will see that these are the some events which created AI for me, Codex for me, and it took my something here, new chapter. See how beautifully New York. Okay, oh, here city is also there. See, I can create also. Let's see whether I am able to create React Global Summit. Okay, which kind of learning circle, Hyderabad. Hyderabad. So I have created, okay, what could we bring people together? You created. See, I think, where is my card? Where is my card? How to learn Hyderabad, Hyderabad. I don't know. I don't know. Where is that? Learning. Click on learning. How to learn anything? No, I think, maybe backend is not set up. Backend is not set up. Yeah, till then they have created PPT also for us. We can see PPT from, see how beautifully they have created beautifully based on our product scope. We can also present this thing. Okay. And but again, I would say that, see, we no need to waste our time by doing a lot of things. Just use properly AI, use here connectors, use plugins. So many things is there. If you want to click up motion, obsidian, lot of things is there. Just you understand that how to use proper plugin with the help of Codex. It will do a lot of work for you. Okay. And and what is the next? Yeah, as you can see here, as you can see here in Cursor, I am also able to run the code base with the help of just npm run. Till now, I haven't discussed anything about coding. Single line also I haven't discussed. But yes, I'm just giving you hint that we can also, in coming days, we can also build our own, from vibe coding to real AI apps. We can also build. So today, guys, we'll try to take a pause now because we should stop. So till now we are learning vibe coding to build real AI. Yeah. So next, in coming days, we'll start like this also, how actually you can build and how you can debug and what are the things. So is there any person, do you have any doubt, any question, what we have done? I just want to repeat once again, give me quick 1 minute. We have explored about the Codex, where with the help of Codex, we can build multiple tasks. We can cron job, I haven't showcased cron job, but you explore this thing, schedule. This is very easy. Every day whenever you will set the times, they will do, just create here, just ask it, they will it is kind of n8 automation. Okay. And plugins, I explain here, so many plugins is there. You can also add Figma, Obsidian, whatever you want to do, just give the instruction and here it will come in connector, somewhere it will come. Okay. So here it will showcase whatever visualization plugin, whatever you have, it will come. I hope you are able to see my screen, right? So task I already explained how it is working, browser, how it is working, how we have terminals, how we have browsers, how we have how we can connect with the cursor. Cursor is the very powerful tools, how we can run in cursor, how we can download. So all of these things, and how we can give here instruction also. Suppose that if our product is something kind of green, I want to make it something like as a yellow. So we can also give here the instruction. Cursor will also treat like as a composer. In Cursor, there is two part. I will discuss more in detail Cursor in coming days, but in Cursor, there is two part. One is agent mode and one is composer mode. Okay. We can enable which file we want to pass. They will understand only that file. So this is the all of the things we have discussed. Does anybody, any question? Do you have any person, any question today, whatever we have discussed? Are you getting what we have discussed today? Oh, gee. No. Okay, nice. So I would say everybody, please start learning, start building this kind of huge Codex, use Cursor, start your own idea, build today. Okay. And even though you don't know proper English, you don't know proper, so many things, you don't have proper laptop, proper internet, don't make any excuse, just build. Okay. And showcase in the community, showcase you are learning, be more active. I'm thinking that in group nobody is active whenever something I'm asking or any kind of, but yeah, learning is okay. Apart from learning, showcasing is also important. So from now onwards, start showcasing in LinkedIn that you are building something, you are learning every day. So many doors will open. Please believe me, every day share on LinkedIn. Maybe you are not getting message today, you are not getting some response today, but yes, engagement, user will come and they will understand. Okay, lot of engineering students are there, I'm helping in different batch also, I'm trying to guide them. But yes, this is the my suggestion. Everybody please do and learn, build, showcase. It gonna be helpful for everyone. And with that note, I need to take a pause and I need to stop presentation. So I hope guys you enjoyed today's session, and I hope